to my channel. Today I want to introduce you one combined the practice between the LeanIX MetaModel. They publish the version 4. LeanIX is one enterprise architecture the tooling. And also, I introduce is how I can package this MetaModel, which shown here. I will elaborate a little more detail is then use ontology to model that within Protege. And after that is when you come to the business capability, you can go through with the capability have multiple either inbound or outbound and the relation to the architecture layers. So if you are not familiar or not used LeanIX before, you can come to their websites to get that information of this tool. This is a commercial EA tool, so you need a license to use that. But it's free to access their MetaModel. So that is our interesting practice is we model that MetaModel in Ontology, and I will using this video to show you is how we translate this kind of 4-layer 12 element MetaModel structure into one ontology's class and individual the hierarchy, and then how to build the relationship each other, and then is how we can the search and also visualize and query those ontology, which is the ultimate goal after you use Protege to model that. So first, let's go to. I already finished this ontology, so but I put our the command in the end is I will show you how to find this file, and this is our documentation EAM LeanIX.net. So from these pages, the LeanIX publish their MetaModel. So you can learn their the EA tooling in more detail from their doc, the root page, and you can go to this MetaModel directly to see the information of those MetaModel. So let's wait a little bit for this MetaModel to be loaded. It's interesting is while I'm the record this video, this page is not accessible. So possible is LeanIX did some backend the maintenance, but that's never mind. Is I already have this file, so you can search this MetaModel version 4 from the this open internet is published that for you. So let's view this image. So I download this, and then this we can show this image for our understanding. So this is the MetaModel. When I go later, you can access the link. I will put that in the chat and the comments. So you can see it's like the TOGAF, but LeanIX have their own data MetaModel. They separate in the 4 layers, strategy transformation layer. It's mentioned across all layers, but we just put that in this layer, and then this business architecture layer, application data architecture layer, technology layer. So I will, for simple part is I treat these 3 per layer belong to this the layered the title, and then I put those as the individual of those layer. So which means is if we see the business architecture, including organization, business capability, and the business context, as same as the technology architecture, including the provider like a supplier, all these IT components and technology category, and then within the same layer or the cross layer, there's a certain relation like organization owns objective, and then this application provides or consumes the interface. So every relationship from source to target is like a triple. So we start reading is I feel is quite relevant is if we use our ontology to describe such kind of meta model. And another advantage is if you look at here, there's many owns. So which means is if we make our object property called owns from a domain to our target, the range, then we can easily through the ontologies those kind of patterns based Sparkle query to know is what are the source and the destination sets use on as the relationship, and what are used is maybe the runs or supports where we have several supports and also several effects. So and several uses. Those are give the kind of the information that we can try to utilize. So let's keep this in mind. Is let's go to the ontology file. So if you don't install this Protege before, you can download from the protege.com. And the Protege website is within this the Protege 5.6.4 version now, and I put this link here. So if you click this, you can go to the MetaModel websites later on, and this is the IRI. So I call this ontology as the MetaModel -LeanIX. So that will be our query prefix. And moving to the second one, so before that, you can already see the matrix. I already create axiom 70, this as this 41 plus 29. So logical axiom, declaration axiom, and for class and also 14 object property and 12 individual, one annotation. This annotation is this one. And then let's see. So I have four class. This four class, if you back to this image, is I put this layer as the class, and then switch to the individual by classes. If you click every classes, I create three the individual or direct instance. So in business, we have organization, business capability, business context. And from here, you can see total the 4 times 3, the 12 individual. And then back to the entity, switch to the object property. I have list all the used the relationships. So if we have supports, then I create one supports this object property. Then this because we only have a very simple ontology, I don't specifically define domain and range because both domain and range are those full list of the individual or instance. So with those the 14 these object properties, then this we can starting to come to here. So for example, if I'm starting from objective, let's back to here. The way I did this ontology is I found is who are the source. Like is the objective is as the source is only this outbound relationship, means objective improves the business capability, and all the other three are inbound. So those will be modeled from the another end. So, but objective improves the business capability is what I'm putting here. So if I click objective as the instance, then I'm adding our the object property as improved, and the business capability as this target. So it's like this way. So once you create that, then that means is you modeled this link. And I give you one more example is when I come to maybe is I go to a simpler one, the IT components is also has just one output is the belongs to technology category. So if I go to technology parts, IT components, you can see is oh belongs to technology category, but why is have a implement? So oh, it's this one is output. So implements a platform. So then from IT components, there's a two triple. So IT components implements platform. IT components belongs to tech category. So with this one by one, so I sum the relationship is like technology category is only one inbound but zero outbound. So from technology category, there's no relationship or the object property assertion that I need to build because nothing starting from technology category. And then this, if we switch to business architecture, you can see business capability only have one outbound. One outbound is this one, suppose platform. But there's many the inbounds, so that is the capability. And for the outbound, quite a lot is objective. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, all of them are outbound, but no inbound relation. So if we close the click the organization, you can see so 4 owns, 1 use. So that is the objective. And then the after you have built this is you can trigger on the this reasoner. So my reasoner is a palette, and then this you can starting to have this all visualization. From here, you can just see those the class because I only have 4 classes. So this visualization doesn't tell you too much things, but the Onto graph will give you the better view. So if I click this, is you can click one. So like it's a click thing. So you can right click and show neighbor. Then that will be easier. Is show is thing has 4 neighbor. And you can come to the business architecture, right click again. So putting that in the focus, then show business architecture neighbor. So it's under theme, that's for sure. But the business architecture class has 3. The individual, so which we know organization, business capability, business context, and we know is the organization has a 5 outbound. So if I show neighbor of object organization, you can see here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you hover this cursor here, then it show you is organization owns objective from the source to the destination. And this arrow also tell you this direction relationship. And if you also hover here, then this tell you all these 5 relations. So and if you put this business context in the middle, then you can see is business context is have 1 outbound and 3 the inbound. So like this initiative affects business context, organization is owns and application supports. So, and the business context is belongs to the or under business architecture. So, through the right click show neighbor, you can always see those information to putting that in the focus. And also you can search so provider. So if I just put search is also show you the provider in the middle. And if you have something in the middle, you can click this plus sign, then putting more concept into one diagram. So that is the way is you can tailor your target view. Then this you can show this. So those are the information, or maybe I say is whether I can search uses, which is not possible. So you can search on the element, and but let me see is whether I can contain star exact match rec. So you can also use the regular expression to do that. But looks like it's you are not able to search even this one. I think is cannot use the relationship to be searched. But if you want to search our relation, come to the entity or any page, click this search. So let's see, so uses. So just typing the uses, it will wild search the result. Like is the uses is displayed as our entity and have our IRI, and then with three object property assertion. So that is the way you search relation. If you search entity, then you can see organization has a 5 object property assertion and one class assertion, one IRI, one display name. So that search is also powerful for you. So and then the last but not least is I show you is how to do this sparkle. Within the sparkle is you have 4 default prefix. You need to add your own this ontology, the prefix. So this prefix is coming from this ontology IRI. I have some more videos you can find is talk including the how to utilize the Sparkle. So so I'm preparing our specific learning Sparkle the trainings and it's on the halfway. So based on this book. So I also hope is if you have our ontology. Try to utilize the ontology, then you need to learn the Sparkle. So like these are the syntax, you need to add that prefix. And then this similar to this SQL language is also starting from C subject. So let's simulate is what we just used, the wild search. I want to show all the relations, all these triple that relation is use. So uses, if you know the relation. If you don't, for sure is come to here, go to this object property, try to find this maybe here is uses. I want to see is all these relationships as uses between the which and which. So then that is the easier is beyond that LeanIX, the image-based MetaModel can tell us. So let me see. So the source relation target. So that is my 3, the element, and then same as the use where with this curly braces. And then what is where is first is I want all of them source relation. Ensure is typing correct with a space and a dot. And then, so if you don't have that, let's try. So it's load everything. So so that is also a way. It's a wild query. So you can query, but it's also including is something is starting from RDF. You need to learn something from the regular expression, and you can filter something out, or you can focus on a subsize. But what I want to do is I just wanted to filter is the relation as uses. So here you can like it's the SQL as well. So filter with our parentheses. Within that is question mark is relation equal to, let's just put our simple way, LeanIX, the prefix with this colon, then uses. So that is the IRI for the relation, and that's the syntax. Let's try execute. You can see here you got three uses. One is from the organization, and another two is have the same target is to the IT components. So what if is I want to change that to owns? So that way is very the easy. So you can now is just one line. You can search the different this scope. So and also you can export this query result to our CSV or our the file, or even this you can copy this to the external files. But when you copy, you will get the full IRI. So that is the thing is you need to pay attention. But if you export that, that will be totally fine. So and that is the thing is I would like to show you is we have utilized this ontology to have convert the LeanIX MetaModel version 4 to the this RDF file. And then where is this RDF file? Where I can find that? So let me show you as well. So if you just perfect is now this page is load. So click this one. It's directly come to this page I already show you. So this is the LeanIX meta model. Scroll down. This is the what that image showing you. So, but one interesting thing is from provider to initiative here doesn't have our label, so I put that is the support. So provider support your initiative. I think it's provider not own. So so that is the my one of my guess. So maybe it's the other later fixed version is LeanIX will add this missing part. But that's fine. So if you want to find this file, is go to my GitHub. So github.com. Then this why my the GitHub name is YASEN STAR. When you come to this page, is you can come to the EA. So and within the EA, I just create a folder called LeanIX, and here is this RDF file. So actually, RDF file is like a certain XML formats which you can view the content in this text-based, and every IRI with the class and in instance or individual are modeled here. Like this initiative is one class, and I have our it belongs to the upper level the class. So here is the data object initiative, and then these are the individual. So and then within the individual we have this the relationship, and then this also here is the class. So you can see class we have 4 paragraph, and those individual your object property is under the individual part. And we have this type. So that is the syntax of the RDF file. But if you use Protege, you can download this, or you can fork this whole the repository. More than LeanIX, I have other practice. I also mentioned in some the additional videos or the post videos. So with that is I hope to give you some the quick the going through about how I model the LeanIX version 4 MetaModel into one Protege-based RDF ontology, and hope you enjoy that, and you can use this if you want to analyze a certain enterprise architecture MetaModel when you planning to do some repository build. Okay, I hope you get some the reference information through this video. See you in the other videos later on. Bye for now.